Hi, welcome to everyone. Hope everyone is doing good. My name is Nandish PC. I'm studying in Government First Grade College, Malleshwaram, 18 Cross in Bangalore. First of all, thankful for the webstack Academy for giving me an opportunity in online to get an internship in webstack. I am very thankful for that, and also the system where you have made like test and academy login, LMS and classes, and again also we can see the videos. Again, it is stored in the database, and then also we can review it. Very nice system they have made. First of all, I break down the things which I learned in this internship. I learned about how the websites work and how the web apps works. What is the difference between website and web app, and what are the languages required to build a website or web app. So the three basic things for writing a website is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. HTML stands for hypertext markup language, CSS stands for cascading style sheets, JavaScript is nothing but a scripting language, helps to give the behavior for the websites. HTML is the structure of the website where you design the layouts plainly, like for example building, how we construct the architecture initially. CSS are the designs and paints, like it helps to make the UI very neat and easy, and provide more functionality in terms of colors and themes. JavaScript adds behavior to that and logicality for that application. Like for example, if you touch a button, something works, an event will incur. That is nothing but JavaScript, and these are fundamentals. Apart from this, React.js, it is a JavaScript library to build interfaces, user interfaces, which is released by Meta in 2013 among a group of developers. Now this library has been morely introduced as per the requirement of the developers to build user and applications according to the user requirements. Mainly it is very famous for building single page applications. Single page applications are the applications where in single page itself all the aspects of functionality have been involved. React has been evolved from the lot of years, so that it has main features like hooks and functionality. In React we learned about components, state management, virtual DOM and DOM manipulation, how the things work, how the browser model works, and we come across the complexity concept like asynchronous JS, promises. Then we learned about how the things happens in Node.js and MongoDB, how to write queries for the database and all. This was our classes, and our classes were scheduled from February 12th to March. It was a nice aspect of having classes in the evening session as a webinars. So generally I was very happy because I can't attend the classes because due to commitments of tuitions and all. So but the recorded classes, after I am getting seeing it as and learning it, it was more happy for to say that the introduction was very nice, and make sure that how the things work, and also it was very happy to ensure that how the websites were working in a more manner of time. And in Node.js we learned about how to write the queries and all, and we get a detailed roadmap of how the things work. We get the project documentation also about the PDFs, how it was working. We get separate PDFs for each and all. In that we learned about all the basics and all. So the curriculum was designed very innovatively for the students. Anyone can easily access and learn it. Mainly we learned about how to design features in the development environment. We got the installation videos and all. We made a homely project. It has a lot of features included in it, so we'll explain its features now. this is a project, and this is the live demo screenshots of the application, and it has a lot of features like user authentication, where user should have to put the credentials in order to log in it, and we have search and filter options based on location, dates and pricing. We can able to do that, and we can list the aspects of management system, and we can also properly list it based on the user experience. Booking system is developed such a way that payment system is handled using credit cards and all. User profiles can be, anyone can easily add the houses in the application. These are the demos. See, due to some reasons I can't able to take the recordings in the laptop, so I'm doing in this, but I learned to ensure that so 90% of aspect how to write an application from scratch, and use the AI tools in writing the codes for the application. So this was running from it. The features I mostly interested in was what anyone can add the home and using pictures, and also list the aspect and can pay the amount and get the details booking of it. Nextly, we have about the details which I learned, how the websites work in from the front end side and back end side. In the front end side, the user enters the URL in the mode of HTTPS. It will go to the back end and connect to the database and also get the URL request, and server will fetch us the information from the back end from database and API, and it will render the UI. Then we learned about how the HTML tags works, that collection of tags, and we also learned about CSS, box model, border, margin, padding, and selectors. CSS is introduced in 1991, so it has a lot of frameworks like Bootstrap, Material UI, Tailwind CSS. We can able to link the style sheet in three aspects: internal and external, and outside we can also link it. In JavaScript, we learned about variable, array, loops, data types, and controls, and conditional rendering. So totally, the appreciable part of the Webstack Academy was they helped us to provide in a structural manner. Day-to-day activities was monitored using LMS, and all the aspects of discussion forums, and each and every aspect has been given as a notification for us. One month it was deeply involving learning about programming and software development as well as, and all the teachers were made their best to understand for us, and mainly thankful for them also. Complete management which who provided opportunity for the students who are learning the tier 3 colleges was great. And how to start a project development environment. So first we have to install the React, create React app, then you have to write the components, then you have to route it, then you have to map it, and then you have to see in the localhost. We get the video and live demo in the localhost 3000. So this was the internship which is happening in the 1 month. So overall it was covering all the areas of web development. We also learned about the differences between the front end and back end also. So I thought to design the new application for a college in the next days, and share that link in the global for everyone as a source code. So thank you.